Hi, my name is Jeff, and today I'll be sharing with you a topic about disability insurance. And this particular product is offered by Industrial Alliance, and it's part of their Simplified Issue. So Simplified Issue means it's pretty much guaranteed you're covered as long as you answer a few simple questions. And what is disability insurance? It's if in case you get injured because of an accident, you can't work, it prevents you from working, making money, then money will come in to replace your earnings. So disability insurance is a percentage of what you normally make. It's a percentage. So when some people say, I have coverage at work, great, you have coverage at work, but that is a percentage of what you make. So if you want to have full coverage, full replacement, then you can, what I suggest is top it up. Purchase a small disability plan where it will make up the difference between what the work is covering and from private. So now you have a combined 100% as if you've never stopped working. So the benefit of having a disability insurance coverage is that it provides a monthly lump sum tax-free, monthly amount, which is tax-free. That way you can use it to help recover quicker. Maybe you needed to maintain any financial obligations like your mortgage, your rent. I know the ones that come from work, they are taxable. So that means if you're getting paid, even though you're getting paid, you're gonna get a tax slip at the end of the year. So the private one is tax-free. So this is ideal for people who have high-risk jobs. That means, let's say you are a fisher, maybe a ski guide, things like that, it will be covered. Or maybe you work at a job environment where accidents are very high, like a laborer, manual laborer, or a truck driver. So if you're a truck driver that frequently travels outside of the province, then definitely you may want to consider something like this as well. So there are additional add-ons that you can put on top within this disability insurance. And one of them is one of my favorites. It's called return of premium. So that means if you've never made a claim and you add on the return of premium, 50% of your deposits will come back to you. So it's a very good peace of mind to have, knowing that you're covered and you're not spending too much. Travel insurance is an extra add-on, which is great because through this plan, it's actually really cheap. It can turn out to be about $10, $20 a month for travel insurance, and it protects the entire family. Okay, so that includes yourself, your spouse, your children, the whole family at about $10, $20 a month. So in my opinion, it's really cheap compared to purchasing it on its own. And with the travel insurance, it can cover you up to $5 million of medical emergency. And the bonus is there's what's called trip cancellation. So if there's an emergency and you have to cancel the trip, it can cover up to $5,000 per trip. And these extra extensive coverages usually cost a lot more elsewhere or may not even be covered. So you're getting the best of both worlds. Partial disability is an extra add-on, and that means if you are ever injured but you can still work part-time, then at least the benefits will still continually pay you about 50%. So that means you don't have to worry about being permanent disabled in order to receive benefits. You can even start your work doing part-time somewhere else and you still have partial benefits to supplement. Okay, so one of the main benefits, as I mentioned earlier, is yes, if you do have coverages at work, great, stay with that, but use this as a top-up. So this can be used for all ages, this type of plan, and especially children. There are disability insurances for children as well. It doesn't have to even be work-related. If you go on a ski trip, if you go travel abroad, you get injured for your extracurricular activities, sports, that's the perfect plan to have in place, especially if you have small children that are always active, then definitely you want to get it for your children as well, because ultimately, if they've ever get injured, the onus is on you to take time off work, which affects your income. So that is a little bit about what I want to share with you today. regarding disability insurance. Any questions, feel free to email me below. Thanks for your patience and your time. I'll talk to you next time.